Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a shampoo powder. This is made of hibiscus leaves. This shampoo powder is easy to make and it is made of all hair loving ingredients. This powder is suitable for all hair types. This will cleanse your hair, keep your hair strong and long, and also keep your hair healthy. This will not strip your hair of natural oils. Instead, it will reduce dandruff and hair fall. If you want to know, please keep on watching. To make this hibiscus shampoo powder, I have collected few hibiscus flowers. If you don't have fresh flowers, you can use dry ones also. If you want to know how to make a hibiscus flower powder, then I will leave the link in the description box. I have a video on that. If you are suffering from hair loss, then hibiscus flowers or leaves will help to give that hair a strong growth. And if you have suffering from dandruff, then this is the best flower which you can use on your hair. So to use this in the shampoo, first I need to clean this. For that I have removed the stalk and the central portion, and I have separated the petals from the leaves where I am going to dry this under the shade for the first time. So here I am going to spread the cloth, and I have dry it by spreading it on the cloth. And after a little bit when it dries, then I am going to keep it in the direct sunlight so that it becomes crisp. I have just kept it for 10 minutes, and then this will be the result of drying in the sun. So the hibiscus flowers are ready. I have got 1 cup of dried hibiscus flowers. To make the shampoo, you will be needing other ingredients. For that I am taking moong or green gram 1 cup. This is the best pulse which you can use for your hair. It will promote hair growth and also conditions your hair. It has essential fatty acids and minerals, vitamins which will reduce hair breakage, and also it has got vitamin C too. The next ingredient is flax seeds. I am taking half a cup of the flax seeds. This is useful because it contains vitamin E, magnesium and selenium and also copper. It will help to nourish the scalp and also your hair strands. Because of its presence of omega-3 fatty acids, this will help to regrow your hair and also provide the keratin which your hair lacks. Next is this arapu powder, half a cup. This is made of leaves from arapu tree where it is dried and powdered. This is a good conditioner for your hair. When you use this with other natural hair shampoo powder, then this is used to give that lather to the mixture. So whenever you mix it with water and apply on your hair, this will give the lather and cleanse your hair. So this also conditions your hair. To make the shampoo powder, you need to take a dry mixer jar and drop all these ingredients into it and grind it into your fine powder. Once you grind it into fine powder, the shampoo powder is ready. The color of this powder is green because of the moong or the green gram which you have used. The hibiscus color will pop out once you soak this. So here if you have not ground it into fine powder, first you need to filter this, separate the fine, and the remaining coarse one you can grind it again and mix it with the fine powder. The powder should be fine because it is easier for you to use as a shampoo. So to store it, you can store it in an airtight container and keep it at room temperature for more than 3 months. While using, make sure that you are not introducing any wet spoon, or your hands should be not wet. To use this shampoo on your hair, first you need to soak this powder. For my shoulder length hair, I am taking 3 to 4 spoons of this powder, and you can soak this with curd or even rice water. I am using half a cup of water to soak this. If your hair is long, you can use more powder. Soaking helps all these ingredients to get mixed well, and it will form a paste like consistency. You can soak this just 2 or 3 hours before shampooing, or you can soak it overnight also. So once I mix all these ingredients thoroughly, I am going to let this soak for a few hours. I'll just keep it covered, and after 4 or 5 hours of soaking, you will see that the shampoo is ready. All these ingredients have come together and formed a gel like consistency. This will be easy to use on my hair. You can use this like how you use your regular shampoos. Just wet your hair and apply all over. Then you have to work up lather because of the arapu powder. This will give lather to your hair, and it also conditions your hair. This can be used once in a week, and you can see the difference how it makes your hair within few washes. The main advantage of such homemade hair shampoos is that first it will keep your hair healthy, and it is cost effective, and you will know what you are using on your hair. So try this and see how it works for you. And if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please share it. And if you want to comment anything, please do. Thanks for